Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make eggplant miso soup. Ingredients for miso soup can be anything, and the basic of miso soup is all the same no matter what you're using. Prepare broth, cook ingredients, and add miso. That's it. Today I'm going to show you how to make eggplant miso soup. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this eggplant miso soup, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. Some eggplant, 2 teaspoons hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, 4 tablespoons miso, green onion to garnish, and this is totally optional, but some aburage, deep fried tofu. Aburage adds nice body to the miso soup, so I often use it in my miso soup. I cut it into small pieces like this and freeze, so that I can use it whenever I want. Let's prepare the broth first. 4 cups of water into the pot. Put 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, and just bring it to boil. In the meantime, let's cut the vegetables. Eggplant, cut the top off, and remove this. Cut it into half long way, then slice diagonally. Eggplant turns into brown when it's exposed to the air. To stop browning, let's put it in cold water. Just plain water. And green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together, cut them into half, put them together, and slice thinly. And this is to garnish after the soup is ready, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. The broth is boiling, so let's add the eggplant. Only the eggplant, not with the water. When you add the eggplant, make sure the broth is boiling. Otherwise, the color of the skin will come out and it will make the miso soup blackish. So let's put the eggplant into the boiling broth. Add aburage, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it's time to add the miso. To put the miso into a strainer. I'm using miso strainer today, but any strainer will do. Dump the strainer into the broth and push the miso out. Turn the heat off and it's done. Serve it in the soup bowl. Put some green onion. And eggplant miso soup is ready to go. Time for the tasting. The soup first. Itadakimasu. So much umami. Eggplant and aburage. Eggplant is so soft and juicy. It melts in your mouth. Delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Eggplant miso soup goes here. How about sukiyaki don here, which will also cover the main? I want some green vegetables, so soy sauce and butter spinach for one of the side dishes, and for the other one, I normally have some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.